I am going to demonstrate for you how to do a 2-color cast on. We are using green and brown for the Enderman hat that I am just finishing up the pattern. And you take the 2 colors and knot them together, leaving about 6-inch tail just so you can weave it in. Leave your knot nice and loose because you're going to be undoing it. Then you will place the needle between, whoops, don't want to do it on the tail, between the 2 strands that you're going to be knitting with the brown closer to you. And then you are going to basically, as if you're going to do a long tail cast on, which it pretty much is with 2 colors, put the brown or whatever specified on your thumb and the green on your pointer finger, and then just start knitting. You can lightly hold your knot while you do that first stitch, just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere on you. So basically, you are going to be doing your cast on, always keeping that specified color on your thumb, and cast on the number of stitches that you need for the pattern. Let's just say it's 99 for this Enderman hat, and when you are getting to that 99, do not count this first knot as a stitch. So count 99 after that. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but basically just want to show you how this is working up with the green on the needle and the brown making a nice little lip beneath. So when you have the number cast on, slide to the end of your needle and just gently work that knot off and then untie it. Like I said, basically you're going to be using this to weave in, so that's why you want to leave about 6 inches there. So it's being fiddly. Again, just do that count after this stitch. Make sure you have however many you need, say 99. And then you will put your place marker there and join together for knitting in the round. See, it's still a nice sturdy first stitch, even though you don't have a knot or anything like that there. You can tighten that up. And this is how you do a 2-color cast on.